How to connect WhatsApp to a laptop without a phone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect WhatsApp to a laptop without a phone. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your laptop. Once WhatsApp is open, click on Get Started. Now, what you need to do is use your phone to scan the QR code and establish a connection with WhatsApp. If you prefer, click on Link with Phone Number and enter your phone number to connect. Additionally, you can select your country during the setup process. So this is how you can connect WhatsApp to a laptop without a phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.